What's up guys, Saif Ashraf here, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reviewing the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. I'm going to be telling you today whether you should still be buying them or not, or you should go for an alternative such as AirPods Pro. Let's get straight into the video. So starting off, I got the Galaxy Buds Pro for free, in fact, with the Galaxy S22 Ultra I recently unboxed on the channel. I say recently, my upload schedule has been terrible. But yeah, I got them for free as part of a deal. And to be honest, for free, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro are an incredible deal. But even if you do have to pay the retail price for them, which is right here, they are actually pretty good. They are Samsung's leading and most top of the range earphones they sell. Of course, with the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2, we have the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus and Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. But yeah, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro are definitely the most flagship version they sell. Design wise, we have quite a nice small case, much smaller than the Galaxy Buds Plus that I use, and about the same size as the AirPods Pro, although the AirPods Pro do take up a smaller amount of space inside your pocket. The case gives you about 20 hours worth of battery time, and the case you can charge via USB-C or wirelessly on the back of your flagship Samsung phones or a normal wireless charger you have lying around. Altogether, the case does feel quite premium and quite solid. It is a matte finish, which I like, and not the glossy finish which gets a lot of fingerprints. Then we have the actual earbuds themselves. So they do take on quite a bit of the design from the actual Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus, but instead of the tip, they don't have a tip. So I just noticed while editing I said tip, I actually meant this wing part here, which actually secures into your ear when you twist it in. This is actually what I was talking about, just for any confusion. Now, this did cause a little bit of a problem for me, since the tips really did secure the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus in my ear. Without the tips, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro, the naming is really confusing me. But they are quite small, they do look quite good in the ear as well. And I'm pretty sure that they're not going to cause any sort of ear strain unless it's your first time using Galaxy Buds or any type of wireless earbuds specifically. I do like the design of the AirPods Pro slightly better, just because they sit in your ear easier than the Galaxy Buds Pro. The Galaxy Buds Pro did stick out my ear a bit, which led it to fall out sometimes. They are quite shiny as well, which can catch a couple of fingerprints. However, they do look quite outstanding on your face. So if somebody does look at you and they see Galaxy Buds Pro in your ear, they will shine out against the rest. The actual Galaxy Buds Pro supply an 8-hour battery life with active noise cancellation on, supposedly. And yeah, speaking of active noise cancellation, how does it do? The active noise cancellation for dark and light noise, such as airplane noise, washing machines and stuff like that, like humming noise, the actual earbuds do very, very good. It gives a sense that you're quite by yourself with no sound around you. However, I did notice that loud objects such as something falling on the floor or even people talking does get quite through quite easily. But that's with nothing playing in the background, just the earbuds in your ears with active noise cancellation on. With content playing such as music, YouTube videos, movies, then yeah, I think you're going to be absolutely isolated and no noise will be getting in, if you do of course have a secure fit. If you don't have a secure fit, make sure to fiddle around with the actual tips that come in the box. I'd say the AirPods Pro do a slightly better job at the noise cancellation. We also have a transparency mode, which basically means the stuff around you will be amplified and got inside your ears, such as if you're on a commute and you need to hear the stuff that's going on around you, you'll be able to hear it just fine. And I've noticed that it's actually pretty good too. You don't get that high-pitched sound that I did get on my Galaxy Buds Plus when the volume is set to high. Sometimes a little bit when there's a lot of sound it's trying to process. However, that when you do have the active noise when you do have the ambient sound mode or transparency mode on, yeah, you will be able to hear the people around you without missing anything. Now, in terms of sound, the Galaxy Buds Pro sound extremely good. I'm listening to lossless audio via Apple Music. I don't even know whether it goes through Bluetooth or not. But I have been listening to a bit of music with the Galaxy Buds Pro on lossless audio, and it does sound very good. I can hear the bass just fine. The bass is actually really good on the Galaxy Buds Pro, much better than my Galaxy Buds Plus. All the instrumentals sound very good as well. So without going into the deeps of everything, the Galaxy Buds Pro do sound very good, and they are definitely on par with the AirPods Pro. So that's about it really. If you are looking for a solid pair of earbuds that do have active noise cancellation and sound very good, the Galaxy Buds Pro are a great option. However, if you do want to go that slightly little bit better with better active noise cancellation, slightly better transparency mode, then yeah, I definitely look at the AirPods Pro, especially if you have an iPhone. I did make an AirPods Pro review, which I will leave in the description, and while you're down there, maybe like and subscribe. And with that said, it's been Saif Ashraf. I hope you enjoyed this review. If you do have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.